Hi guys, so today we are going to learn how to install Revo Uninstaller and how to download. So I have given the link in the description. जो link है वो description में दिया गया है. When you will open this link, you will go on the website downloadly.ir. So here is the website. Now go down in this page. इस पेज में थोड़ा सा नीचे जाएंगे तो यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा multilingual Revo Uninstaller. So now download the first link, multilingual 50.0.8 download. So download this one, download Revo Uninstaller 50.0.8 multilingual. So I am downloading this file. It will take some time. The time depends on the speed of your internet and the response of the server of this website. This is something of 17.1 MB. So it's done. It is completely downloaded. Now I'm going to uncompress this file. So here we are. There are two files in this folder. One is the lessons and the second one is setup. Run the setup. Accept, yes, and click on next. In very few seconds, it will be installed on your computer. Here you go. Click on finish. Once it is installed, it will open the uninstaller automatically. You will close the uninstaller. And you will go in the folder that you have downloaded. Here is a text file. Open it and read it carefully. The process is very clearly mentioned in this text file. Install and run once, then close. Copy license file. There is a license file in your folder. Copy this license file and paste in C program data vs Revo group Revo Uninstaller Pro. So here I am copying the file, the license file. See, I have copied the license file and now I am going to the path that is given in that folder, in that text file. I'm going to my computer, C program data vs Revo group Revo Uninstaller Pro, and here you will paste and continue. By pasting here, it will replace the existing file. Click on continue. So your Revo Uninstaller is ready to use. Thank you so much.